dawn of time, there was nothing. And then, boom! The Big Bang sent 6 elemental dog toys hurtling across the universe. These toys each control one essential aspect of having fun with your dog. Running, jumping, dancing, playing, communicating, loving. 5 of these elemental dog toys are under our protection. And throughout this show, we will demonstrate their power. But the 6th toy has gone missing. Love. And our heroes must work together to find it.
Avengers assemble! These are just some of the wonderful superheroes we're going to be seeing in this show. Thank you very much, Avengers. We're so happy to be here with you folks. In this show, we're going to show you all the powers of the elemental dog toys. They're all great ways you can play with your own dog at home. I will tell you that one of the toys has gone missing, and we're pretty sure it was stolen by a cat. As a matter of fact, we think one of the super dogs in the show is actually a cat in disguise. The cat's name is Mystique. She can take the form of dogs. Keep an eye out for a super dog that is behaving suspiciously like a cat, because if we find that super dog, maybe we'll find the missing elemental dog toy. Until then, we're gonna all have some fun together, and we're gonna try the powers of the elemental dog toys. We're gonna bring one out right now. I don't know which one, so let's find out together. Who has an elemental dog toy? Hi, buddy. Thank you very much. Oh, you want me to just take the toy? This is Hulk, everybody. Hulk is a rescue. And he's a Labrador mixed with, we have no idea what. He's wonderful. Okay, here's the first elemental dog toy. Here we go. That is the running toy. Running is a great way to have fun with your dog. We're going to show you the power of this toy right now. To do that, I'm going to divide you into 2 teams. That means everybody from the middle down to that end, you are a team now. Your team name is the Fantastic Fur. Yes. Everybody from the middle down to that end, you are the Guard Dogs of the Galaxy. They like their name more than you like yours. All right, Guard Dogs of the Galaxy versus the Fantastic Fur. Let's bring out a racing super dog for each of you. Who are the 2 first super dogs? Here they come, everybody. Over here, racing for the Fantastic Fur. You have a working Cocker Spaniel who normally only does 9 to 5, but is working late today. That Cocker Spaniel's name is Stark. Stark. Very good. Guard Dogs of the Galaxy, don't worry, we have a racing super dog for you. That is a Belgian Malinois, making his super dog's debut right here in this race. Say hello to Wolverine. This course is tricky. Even for a super dog, it goes backwards and forwards, and each side ends on the tire. So keep an eye out, and you guys can help. The louder you cheer, the faster your super dog will go. And they told me they won't start unless we all count it down together. So here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Perfectly, ran as fast as he could, he tried his very best, but in this case, the winner was the Fantastic Fur. Very good. All right, Fantastic Fur, you have a point. Guard Dogs of the Galaxy, this? We're going to bring out 2 super dogs for you to choose from. You get to pick the one you think is fastest. The one you don't pick will go to the Fantastic Fur. So let's bring out 2 super dogs for the Guard Dogs of the Galaxy to take a look at. It's a tough one. Take a good look, Guard Dogs of the Galaxy. Over here, you have a Jack Russell Terrier by the name of Moon Knight. Over here, you have a beautiful black lab by the name of Black Panther. Guard Dogs of the Galaxy, which one of these super dogs do you think is faster? By cheering, do you want Moon Knight? Or do you want Black Panther? Pretty close, but you guys are definitely getting Moon Knight. You guys get little Black Panther. Thank you for showing him some love. I think he was feeling rejected. All right, let's see if the Guard Dogs of the Galaxy chose correctly. If you did, you tied it up. If you didn't, you gave them another point. So here we go. 5, 4, 3,
2, 1.
I gotta tell you folks, it was a big win for the Guard Dogs of the Galaxy! Well done, Super Dogs. How about this, Fantastic Fur? We're all tied up. So how about if you pick your next racing Super Dog for this final race, and we'll break the tie. Who are the last 2 Super Dogs to race? But it's actually a breed called a Coolie. Similar personalities to a Border Collie, but that is a Coolie. That Coolie's name is Rogue. Over here, you have a Border Collie Whippet mix. Getting some loving. That Border Collie Whippet's name is Storm. One of these super dogs is slightly faster than the other, but it changes on any given day. Today is Sunday. Does that help? It does not. So by cheering, do you want Rogue? Or do you want Storm? Okay, you guys get Storm, you guys get Rogue. Rogue goes over here. Storm goes over there. Rogue is racing for the Guard Dogs of the Galaxy. You can show Rogue some love. I think she'll appreciate it. Thank you for that. That might help too, because Rogue is pretty competitive and probably was not happy about being rejected. Here's the tiebreaker. 5, 4,
3, 2, 1, go!
Big lesson, never reject Rogue. A big win for the Guard Dogs of the Galaxy. Never seen him run faster. Wow. You know what we'd like to do, everybody? I think this would be fun. We don't normally do this, but how about if we wipe the slate clean? We go to 0-0, and let's let all the Super Dogs race together as a team. That means all 3 of your Super Dogs will race against all 3 of your Super Dogs. We'll see how fast they are together as a team. Are you guys okay to get ready? Very good. Racing for the Fantastic Fur. You have Stark, you have Black Panther, and you have Storm.
Yeah!
Racing for the Guard Dogs of the Galaxy, you have Wolverine, you have Moon Knight, and you have Rogue. Here they come. It's the team event. 5, 4,
3, 2, 1.
What a fun way to start the show, and what a great elemental dog toy. Very powerful. Now, folks, apparently there is a super dog backstage who would like to show off a superpower. All the Pop-Vengers here have lots of superpowers. I don't know which superpower we're about to see, but he did tell me that he is going to need help, and I have to look for something very specific in order to get this assistance. So I'm going to look around right now. Thank you for putting a little light on the audience. Well, this young person has exactly what we need. Would you like to help a super dog with a superpower? Come on over here. What is your name? Oh boy, you okay? All right, what's your name? Jaden, is that right? Everybody say hi, Jaden!
Hi, Jaden.
Jaden, join me in the multiverse of loveness. We're going to meet a super dog with a superpower. I don't know which one, so let's meet the super dog together. Who is going to show Jaden a superpower? Come on out. Sure we have one somewhere. Super dog with a superpower. Jaden, it might just be you and me showing off our superpowers. How much can you do? What's your best superpower? Are you very fast?
Yeah.
Are you very strong? Well, oh, we have a superpower with a superpower, so you don't have to show off. Hey, everybody. Say hello to this super dog. His name is Colossus. Thank you very much. Jaden, I noticed you were wearing a hat. Would you mind if we let Colossus sniff your hat? Would that be okay? Go ahead and let him give it a sniff. That's a pretty good sniff. Now, Jaden, please put your hand in this box for safekeeping. I promise we will not hurt it. Follow me over here. Oh, we're going to go all the way over here. Jaden, here's what we're going to do. We are going to turn Colossus around so he can't see. And then we're going to cover his eyes because I'm not going to lie, he's a bit of a cheater. What I want you to do is I want you to mix these boxes around a whole ton so there's no way he can know which one has your hat. Mix them all around as much as you want. Switch them and swap them, confuse him. There's no wrong way to do this. Just remember, it's only a 30-minute show. That's pretty good, buddy. I don't even know where that hat is. That was great. Come on over here. Jane, we can turn Colossus around now. Colossus needs to know what to do. So could you say into the microphone?
Colossus, find my hat.
Pushing that one forward. Do you think that's the one? Come on over here, Ben. He's giving you the box. Can you open that box? If your hat is inside, take your hat out and hold it up high so everyone can see. Wow, there you go. That's the opposite of up high. There we go. Good job, buddy. You can have that. We'll take the box. I think we have a gift coming out. Good job, Colossus. That was terrific. I'm going to grab this gift. Thank you so much, Ashley. Jaden, this is a gift for you because this is a pair of super dog ears. You can put them on anytime you want because you are now an honorary super dog. Thank you so much, buddy. You did great.